Welcome to AJO Vids, where we cover all things Disney. Be sure to like and subscribe, hold on to your ears, and let's get to the video.
Hello! They say hello.
Hello. Hey, welcome back. Today's a really nice day outside, so I think we're gonna head out to the parks. Me and Lala are gonna go to Animal Kingdom? Yeah.
Daddy.
Oh, and Joy. We went and saw Inside Out too, so we have a Joy.
Dad, come on!
Alright, let's go. She's taking off. Alright, that took a little bit longer than expected, but we got everybody dropped off at the water park, and now Lolly and I are making our way into Animal Kingdom. There was someone back there in the parking lot that needed some help getting their mobility scooter off the trailer. I guess they couldn't get the ratchet strap off, but we stopped and helped them, and we talked to her for a minute and saw her puppy. That was fun. Now we'll go see Animal Kingdom for the day. It's a Pocohontas meet and greet. I think we should go jump in line for that. What's up? We were trying to save this cinnamon roll that Mommy made, but you spotted it under the stroller, didn't you? Didn't you? What are you thinking?
Daddy, I want some.
Some more water?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, look, look, look. Go ahead.
No, I was admiring your necklace too. Maybe someday we can go looking in the riverbed and we can find you a stone just like this, and we can attach it to yours. You like all the stones though? Yeah, it's very interesting. Here, I can put this for you.
Thank you.
Oh yes, I like all these different stones. I like the colors. That would look very nice to add on to my dress as well. And mine match with you. See how I have pink ones that look just like the same as your both wearing.
Isla, do you love her necklace?
I think she does.
Oh, Winged Encounters is about to start.
To gather around our
Go watch that.
at the base of the Tree of Life for a unique journey of discovery, one that you can't see anywhere else except in the wild.
Marcus and M, both of these birds are blue and gold macaws, and they just flew in from about a half mile away. Now they choose to come out here and land on the roots of the Tree of Life with us, or on the perches that our trainers are holding, because we train these birds using positive reinforcement. Olivia, where they're native to, there are fewer than 400 blue-throated macaws left. And that's due to things like deforestation, which is leading to their habitat loss, and even the illegal pet trade is a problem for these birds. How amazing would it be to get to see skies filled with macaws? Is that something y'all would like to see? All you have to do is take a look to the sky.
Oh, look, Lala, look.
Now, isn't that a sight worth protecting out in wild places?
That was super cool. The macaw, I think she said it was, flew right over our face. I'm glad I took Lala out of the stroller so that she could see that. Otherwise she might have missed it, but we are finally on our way to Navi River. So we'll go do that, and then I think we're gonna take the little trail that goes over to Africa and see what some of the Lion King anniversary stuff is about. Oh, play some drums before we go ride?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here, you need me to pick you up? Ooh, ah. Oh, try this one.
I need you.
Oh, there you go. Hit it hard.
That's right. There's also.
Yeah, come here. Try these ones.
That's right.
Hit it over here.
Outside too hot.
It's too hot.
No.
You want to go ride in a boat?
Yes.
All right, come on.
Daddy.
What's in there? There's nothing in there. Come on. You see Mickey?
Yeah, Mickey is white.
Uh-huh.
Dicen a sus niños.
Bye-bye. See it? What's up there? I don't know anyone who has ridden that ride or has reviewed that ride or made a video of that ride that doesn't say that they wish it was a little bit longer. I definitely think that that's the case. You wish that ride was a little longer? Yeah. All right. Well, we're gonna get back in the stroller and then I think we're gonna go over to Africa, maybe do the Kilimanjaro safaris, see what the Lion King anniversary has over there. I think there's a new Dole Whip somewhere. See if we can find it. Ready? All right. This bridge from Pandora to Africa is an absolute game changer if you don't already use it, but there's almost never anyone on it. It's completely shaded. Spits you out right in front of the Lion King. Okay, so little change of plans. I thought that the Lion King food and beverage would be in Africa for some reason. A quick Google search will tell you that there is a Zazu Dole Whip at Trilobites in Dinoland. So instead of doing Dole Whip and then Kilimanjaro safaris, we're gonna walk over to Dinoland and get the Dole Whip and then probably do Triceratops spin, and that might be it. We'll just have to see. You ready? Pretty big traffic jam between Kevin and the dance party going on over there, but we made it to Dinoland, so let's go get that Dole Whip. Every time you think there's no more reasons to stop, huh? All right, so we got the Zazu float, and then this was right at the little ice cream stand off the bridge. So, oh, you want that? Here, can we show them first? It's got a little Zazu chocolate medallion and a Simba paw print cookie. Oh, bite it. Is it good?
Bye-bye.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Mmm.
And then I think the sign said this was like a lime coconut mixed with Sprite. Wow, that's pretty good. Can I have a bite?
No.
What?
Give me. No, no.
Mmm.
Yeah, that's right.
No. Okay.
Okay.
Well, it's starting to look like it is going to rain, probably, so I don't think we're gonna get to ride any more rides, but we are gonna have a nice float on the way out. So, hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time. Can you say bye? Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.